Hello, in this video I will show you all how to find the molar mass of a compound and also how to convert grams of a compound to its moles and the moles of a compound to its grams. So for example, let's say we have two compounds, potassium chloride and also sulfuric acid. And let's say we are asked to calculate its molar mass. What you're going to do is you're going to look on the periodic table. For KCl, the mass of potassium is 39.10, and then the molar mass for chlorine is 35.45. So to calculate the molar mass, what you would do, you would add up the masses for each element that you find on the periodic table. So when you add them up, you will get 74.6. What this number means is that for every 1 mole of KCl, it will weigh 74.6 grams. Okay, so we'll do the same thing for H2SO4. We'll look back at the periodic table. For hydrogen, you have a mass of 1.008. For sulfur, it's 32.06, and oxygen is 16.00. So to calculate the molar mass of H2SO4, you will have to add the masses for 2 H's, 1 S, and 4 O's. So H has a mass of 1.008 according to our periodic table. S, we only have one of them, so it's 32.06. And lastly, we have 4 oxygens, which each has a mass of 16. Okay. When you multiply them out, you should get 2.016 here, 32.06, and lastly 4 times 16 is 64. To calculate the molar mass of sulfuric acid, you would have to add up all the individual masses of hydrogen, sulfur, and oxygen, which will be 98.076. What this number means is for every 1 mole of H2SO4, it is going to weigh 98.076 grams. Now let's say you have a problem that involves converting 5 moles of KCl to its grams. What you're going to do is you're going to take your 5 moles of KCl. You know that for every 1 mole of KCl, it's going to weigh 74.6 grams. So notice the moles cancel. So to figure out the grams, you multiply 74.6 times 5, which will give you 373 grams of KCl. Now let's say the problem gives you your compound in grams and they want you to convert it to moles. What you'll do is you start out with what you are given. According to the molar mass, for every 1 mole of H2SO4, it's going to weigh 98.076 grams of H2SO4. The reason why we put the grams at the bottom now is because we want the grams to cancel. So to solve this, you would take your 288 times 1, which is 288, and then divide by 98.076 to give you 2.94 moles of H2SO4. So in this video, I showed you all how your moles is related to the grams of a substance, which is related to its molar mass.